This week we cover the respiratory system. Again, starting with anatomy and physiology, something very good to read through, cover. It should be repetitive to you as you're in anatomy and physiology classes. If you aren't right now, in the future you will be. Really starting with our terminology, our word parts. We start with combining forms in our blue boxes, and then we have suffixes here to go over as well. No new prefixes this chapter. Really focus on the pathology and diagnostic terms after those blue boxes. Each one of those terms are very, very good for you to understand. Upper respiratory disorders, again, very, very common, and all of those terms you should know. Bronchial disorders, again, I would say every single one of these. Lung disorders as well, and that goes on for a few pages there. And then pleural disorders. Clinical procedures is good for you to review as well. Some of these procedures and tests that are done on this body system. And then there are quite a few more common abbreviations. You should review those abbreviations. The practical applications is really good. And the in-person, this chapter, the recurrent pneumonia, is a really good read for you. Again, do the exercises at the end of the chapter for extra work.